Prosecutors upgraded the charge against a man who claims he killed a Milwaukee attorney in self-defense. Theodore Edgecombe's defense team says Jason Clearman was the instigator when Edgecombe shot him in 2020.
Derek Rose is in the newsroom. Derek, another setback for the defense in court today, the use of the word victim.
It worked for the defense lawyers in the Kyle Rittenhouse trial, but not for Theodore Edgecombe here in Milwaukee. His team wanted to prevent prosecutors from referring to Jason Clearman as a victim. Now, video shows Clearman's wife following Edgecombe, who was on a bike before Clearman gets out of that vehicle, then walks up to Edgecombe, reaches out before he is shot dead. Prosecutors say the Clearmans followed Edgecombe because he punched Jason Clearman moments earlier. Edgecombe's lawyers say that was only because Clearman's wife nearly hit Edgecombe with their vehicle. Defense lawyers tried to go the route of Kyle Rittenhouse to keep prosecutors from using the word victim when referring to Clearman, but it was not successful.
It's a homicide. He's a victim. Whether he was the victim of a self-defense situation or he was the victim of a reckless homicide is what the jury is to determine. And I know where this is coming from. I read the news. This is not the Rittenhouse case. I know Judge Schrader. I consider Judge Schrader a friend of mine. I have never required the state or told the state how to refer to somebody when they're on the stand. Now, if the state uses the word victim 752 times, I'll probably tell them to back off because they'll be belaboring it. But I'm not going to tell the state how to try their case.
As for the upgraded charge, prosecutors initially charged Theodore Edgecombe with first-degree reckless homicide. They changed that to first-degree intentional homicide. One other setback for the defense team, the judge ruled against allowing a former police detective to testify as to what constitutes a threat. The judge ruled in favor of prosecutors who said only Theodore Edgecombe can actually testify as to what he perceived was a threat that night. Patrick.
And that trial is scheduled to start 1 week from today. Derek Rose in the newsroom.